All right, you a little harder. We'll see. Maybe not. Okay, so this has the same things we've done before, where this is distributive property. So we are going to multiply the square root of 5 times 4. What would the square root of 5 times 4 be? Good. 4 square roots of 5 minus, what would the square root of 5 times the square root of 20 be? The square root of 100. Okay, now we start simplifying. I can't do anything with the 5 because it doesn't break down its prime. There is a square root of 100, which is 10. So this is what Catherine just asked. Basically, can you leave it like that? And yes, there's nothing else you can do with it. That's as far as it's going to go. All right. Square root of 3. All right, so again, if we look at this one, and I have the square root of 3 times 2, that's going to give me 2 square roots of 3, plus, I'm going to take 3 times 12, and I get the square root of 36, which I can't do anything with this one, so I have to leave it alone. And square root of 36 is 6. Okay? All right, so for those of you who are bored, the square root of 7 plus the square root of 2 times the quantity, square root of 7 minus 3, square roots of 2. It's chapter 9. Yay! It is box method or double distributing or FOIL. I usually prefer double distributing, but if you are more comfortable with something else, that is fine. So again, now I'm going to have to remember all these rules. All right, I take this one times this one, and then this one times this one. All right, so the square root of 7 times the square root of 7 is, which is 7. Okay? All right, plus, now I have a negative 3, and this 7 and this 2. Does it make sense if I write minus 3 square roots of 14? Is that okay with what I just did? I kept the negative 3, so it's 7 times 2. All right, now I got to distribute it down here. So down here I have the square root of 2 times the square root of 7. So that's going to be plus the square root of 14. And then I'm going to do this one times this one. So this is going to be what? Negative 3 times the square root of 4. Okay, which I definitely have some simplifying I can do there, right? Okay, so square root of 4 is 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Okay, so I have 7 plus da 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 plus this. All right, what can I do now? I can put the 7 and 6 together, and that would make a whole. Okay, what about these two? Can I put those together? Yeah, they both have 14. Now, what imaginary number sits out in front of here? A 1. So I have a negative 3 and a positive 1, so that's going to be negative 2 square roots of 14 plus 1, and I need to check, can 14 break down? No, it only breaks down into 2 times 7, and that's not going to help me, so that's how I know I'm done. So that was a pretty involved problem.
Is that kind of problem going to be on a practice?
Yeah, there's something like that. All right, you guys try this one. No, you can have those reversed. You can have 1 minus 2 squared roots of 14. I'll work it slowly up here, so if you get stuck, you can look up. Look up whenever you're ready. Correct me if you think I'm wrong. At negative 2 squared to 10 minus 13. You got that right. Lily got it right. All right. Okay, let's do a little practice.